Hey guys, as a business owner, I am sure you are already fully covered with the insurance basics like liability insurance, property insurance, and business auto insurance. But we did want to let you know that there are a lot of coverages that you should consider if you want to have extra protection for your business. Today, we're specifically talking about HNOA coverage, or hired and non-owned auto coverage. This coverage is specific to vehicles that you do not own. So if you are renting or using a friend's vehicle for your business, something goes wrong and you don't have this coverage, you're going to be liable for any damages. When a business owner does not have these coverages, it's referred to as having gaps in your coverage. But you're in luck. Why, you ask? Well, much like the gap in Michael Strahan's two front teeth that you could drive a car through, this is something that can be fixed. Now, whether or not you actually decide to fix it is another story. I will tell you up front that our commercial insurance specialists will all recommend facing your fears, going to the dentist, and closing that gap so that you are protected from mayhem whenever it strikes. The added cost is minimal and can offer you peace of mind if you find yourself in this situation often. Honestly, almost every business will run across this in some way. There are a lot of situations where this will come up, like having drivers under contract who are using their own trucks, salespeople using their own cars instead of a company vehicle, or even employees using personal cars for work errands. If you have questions, you can always call or email us or fill out the form below and one of our commercial insurance specialists will help you out. To break this down a little further, a hired auto is a vehicle a business owner rents, leases, hires, or borrows for business use. This excludes vehicles that are owned by your employees, partners, or household members, which would be considered a non-owned auto. Make sense? Good. And I will also mention that the coverage works the same as your business auto insurance coverage, but is just an extension of it. So for those hired and non-owned autos, you would have liability coverage for property damage and injuries, including settlements, judgments, attorney fees, and even court costs. As a business owner, you should be doing everything you can to protect your business, because one major incident could break the company, unfortunately. This is why we have insurance, to cover those unavoidable and virtually unaffordable accidents. While HNOA coverage is great, it won't cover everything. So here are 7 extra tips to keep your business even safer. 1. Check that your employees have enough coverage on their personal insurance. 2. Ensure that employee vehicles are well maintained. 3. Remind your employees that they represent the company while driving for work. 4. Have a set of strict requirements to qualify drivers. 5. In addition to those strict requirements, make sure drivers have a valid license, a good driving record, and you could even do a pre-employment drug test. Number 6. Regularly checking driving records to confirm their safe driving records are being maintained. And number 7, establish clear, safe driving guidelines for all drivers. If you're interested in this coverage, call or email CNS Insurance at the information below, or you can fill out the form. One of our commercial insurance specialists will be able to get you a quick quote and hopefully save you some money in the long run.